I was told that this ceiling light was flashing when the switch is on, and it was a little flashing, and then when I took the cover off it started to flash a little bit more. I checked first time is there a loose bulb or not, and it was okay for a little bit, and then it started to flash again, and then I needed to check around a little bit more to see what is the problem. So I already did it and put this back in just to show, but I need to turn the power off and then take one of these light bulbs out. Here is still enough light to see this, but one of these light bulb is cracked, and I'm thinking that this may be the problem, so I'm just going to replace one of these light bulbs and see how that goes. Now I have new light bulb. Let's put it in and see how that works. So they're all secure. Switch it on and it works well. I never had this problem before, so I was thinking I'll just put it on YouTube and have anybody to see this and troubleshoot like this. I'm not sure is this the only reason or there's something else in it, but like I said, did that before and then just want to demonstrate this on a video. It works now well, no problems. I checked the wires and move them, they are not loose or there's all good connections, and I think this is the main problem, maybe just old light bulb. So I'll see if there's anything else, put it in the comments if yes, but I also hope that this will help somebody and can be used. Thank you for watching.